Good afternoon. My name is Haesun Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today we will discuss with labor attorney Jung Bong-soo about the Article 104 of Labor Standard Act, which is the report to supervisory authorities. So could you explain about the terminology, please?
Yeah, this article is regarding some employees' claim to labor office. So when employer violate labor standard act, such as reducing some deducting wages or some reducing wage without employees' permit or consent, then it is a kind of violation. So in that case, it can be regarded as unpaid wage. Then employee can report to the labor inspector about some company's violation of Labor Standard Act. So this article is employee can report to the labor inspector. Then because of that, employer cannot retaliate those employee who reporting those issues to the labor office. If employer treated the employee unfairly or some give unfair treatment, then it is regarded as a severe violation of Labor Standard Act. So in that case, there is a severe punishment related to this violation. So it is like 2 years imprisonment or 10 million the fine for this violation. Yeah.
So in what cases often this kind of violation happens? Can you explain?
Yeah, it happens very commonly. So in Korea, so for example, this is the actual case I have handled. So when the vice governor of a certain, this is actually the name is Yeongdong province. So that vice governor was in charge of the traditional music band group. So then band group established the labor union. Then the vice governor was the chief of that traditional music band group. So then there are no good employee. I mean the labor union who consisting of those members ask for collective bargaining. Then the vice governor reject to negotiate with them. Then they remembered something when this musical band group traveled to Japan for a musical performance. At the time, they had a special dinner for congratulating successful trip there. Then the vice governor had some sexual harassment thing. For example, like danced, and actually there is some kind of the karaoke, maybe there is a dancing or dinner area, so I mean restaurant. So there is a waitress who treated him just like a hostess. So then he asked his co-worker, like band group members, to come to the stage and dance together. At the time, they didn't want to go on the stage, but they had to dance because of his direction. So they felt humiliated because they are female. So that's why they asked to come to the stage. So it was a kind of workplace sexual harassment in the workplace. So they remembered and reported to the labor office. So while labor office investigate those cases, then governor felt humiliated. So it's kind of deformation of character. So he sued the band members to the police. So the police officer investigate this case, but it happened because employee should the vice governor to the labor office for violation of like workplace sexual harassment. So at the time, the labor inspector they concluded that there was a partly some sexual harassment in workplace. So because of their decision, so it affected their the criminal report, like the violation of defamation of character. So it was dismissed by the police because there is band group members what they reported was accepted as partly true. So just like this case, employer or such like those people who are in company side cannot take some retaliation action or something just because they claim their legal, they filed some claim to the labor office. So especially Article 104, it deals with such cases. Yeah.
I see. So it's very important that the employer be aware of this article so that they don't have to pay any penalty or fine because of labor inspection. So
yeah, that's true. Yeah, of course that I think that wording is important. Of course they violate company's regulation, or they kind of they engaged in misbehaving or misconduct. Of course they should be punished, but just because they report to the labor inspector, they cannot be retaliated or they treated some unfairly. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for your comment.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.